Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done a couple of videos on copy properties from, and somebody's having a little bit of trouble, so I thought I'd just make another video. I think the mistake they're making, you have to click on your item you want to be copied to, and then go up to edit, copy properties from, and pick pin outline, pin color, no fill, and then select that. So you have to select the outline. This is just fill. So we have to have this one selected first. Edit, copy properties from, fill, and then then click on that. This is a variegated line outline, so it's the same thing, but you need to click on that first. Edit, copy properties from, outline color, and outline pin. And then click on that line. Don't click in the box. This is something you wouldn't think would copy, but if we do, this is a interactive fill tool that's pretty cool. So select on that box you want to copy, and it doesn't have to be a square. We can make it a circle and have it selected, and then go to edit, copy properties from, the fill. We could probably leave those checked and then say okay, and then click on that and look at that radius. That's a pretty useful tool if you're doing a lot of items. I never have tried this. Let's select all these, go up to edit, copy properties from, fill, and look at that, it did them. So you could do a whole page of them. Anyway, I hope that answers their question and helped you a little bit in the future, and thank you for watching.